Hi, good evening. Welcome everyone to Post Market Analysis with Jagadish, Chandran. Today we'll be discussing about what to expect in Nifty and Bank Nifty going forward and important levels to watch out for. Nifty spot opens around 19,120, testing the highs of 19,175 to close around 19,100 zones. Bank Nifty spot opened around 43,000 levels, tested the highs of 43,270 to test the intraday lows of 42,780 and closed around 43,000 levels, making a doji candle. Crude correction is also welcoming for Indian markets. Markets is at oversold zones in pullback mode. Buying emerged at lower levels with advanced decline ratio also improving and VIX cooling off is also a blessing in disguise. Now, Nifty supports placed at 18,800 and 18,600, resistance shifts to 19,300 to 19,450 zones. Bank Nifty supports placed at 42,800 followed by 42,400. Resistance shifts to 43,400 and 43,800. That's all for now. Hope you enjoyed the market updates and is useful for your trading and investment decisions. If so, hit the like button and do share it to your friends and relatives looking for market updates and interesting insights. If you are watching our channel for the first time and if you have not subscribed, do subscribe our channel for more market updates and interesting insights. That's all for now. Thank you. Happy investing and safe trading. Take care.